Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you, iJoy phone projector review. So you might be wondering what is the iJoy phone projector that you may be hearing or seeing online. So the iJoy phone projector is a compact smartphone projector designed to enlarge your phone screen for watching movies, videos, photos, and presentations. Now, according to the official product page here, it features an adjustable focus lens, a portable design, and is compatible with both iPhone and Android smartphones. Now, the projector works without Wi-Fi and simply enlarges the content displayed on your phone. And according to the manufacturer here, the projector works by placing your smartphone inside the projector where the built-in lens magnifies the phone's display onto a wall or a projection screen. Now you can improve your image sharpness by adjusting the focus or focus ring here and get the best picture quality in a dark or dimly lit room. Now, to use the iJoy phone projector here, you just need to place it on a flat surface, open the phone compartment, insert your smartphone, and align the screen with the projector lens. Close the compartment, point the projector towards the wall or screen, then rotate the focus ring until the image becomes clear. Now, depending on your phone and projector model here, you may also need to connect your phone using the included cable or a compatible screen mirroring app. Now, the projector listed on the official website is approximately around the $89.99 for the iJoy Mini Beam here. You also have the iJoy Smart View around $129.99 and the iJoy Home Cinema here at $159.99. So that's the pricing or the average pricing that you may be able to see in the website. Now, that's essentially how the iJoy phone projector works and what it is. Now, if you're interested with this specific projector here, doing your own research by checking reviews and information from sources outside the official website is highly recommended to help you make an informed purchasing decision. And this applies for anything that you're buying online. And that's about it. Find this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.